That was a bad start. What we're testing today, we're testing the Insta360 One X 360 camera in a drifter case, which is basically a rocket that you throw. I've put tape on it because I'm so scared of breaking it, but maybe it doesn't need it. The first test we're doing is I'm throwing it through the swing with my wife on it, so I'm literally throwing this at my wife's head and I'm trying to land it in this bucket. But if it misses the bucket, the bucket's got a jumper in it, a sweater, a hoodie, and if it misses it, it's going to hit the floor, or my friend that's filming, or my wife in the face. And I didn't even consider it, but the first shot we did, we actually hit the metal crossbar at the top, which is also not good. But here's take two. I'm not worried about hitting my wife, I'm worried about breaking the camera. It didn't even need the bucket. Didn't need the bucket. Camera's still intact, no scratches. I'm still, my heart's beating like crazy. Now what should we try? Okay, so now we're going to try and throw it in front of the skater, see what happens. Where is it? Thought I'd lost it. Well, we've thrown it about 100 times and it hasn't scratched even on the corners. Touch wood. Now we're going to try and throw it through the rail as he jumps, which is probably not a good idea.
Continue when you're ready.
Ready? Okay, hold on. Not ready. May have been good, may have been good. So basically we want some more air time, so we're going to try and throw it up instead of through. Oh.
So much harder than we imagined. 2, 3.
One more. I think the most important thing I've learned is that you have to learn how to throw it before you go out and get crazy with it, because all the spinning means that you see the black edges, and the tape I put on it also means you see some black spots, and in the end the camera's perfect condition, the lenses have not scratched, there's a tiny scratch on the corner of the case. If the type of thing you're into is lobbing expensive cameras at your friends, this is perfect. However, it's very, very scary to use, and you can also get really good shots with just a stick. I'm going to learn how to throw it before going back out again. Like and subscribe to my channel, drop me a comment if you've got any questions, and I will most appreciate it.